Now turn up.
What's up, gorgeous people? This is Ambizzares DIY and other stuff, and it's Subscription Box Saturday. And in this video, I have for you one of the Walmart beauty boxes. I have no idea which one this one is. I went ahead and ordered all three that they had available. I thought that I was already subscribed to that $5 seasonal box, but apparently something happened there for some reason, so it said that I wasn't subscribed. So I resubscribed to that one, so I should be getting that $5 one soon, but that's not what this one is. They had two other options for like $12.98, I think is what the cost was, and I went ahead and picked up both of those as well. So this is one of those. I have no idea which one it is because it doesn't say on the box. It doesn't specify, so I don't know. Without further ado, let's see what they sent to me. Okay, guys, so here's the box. I gotta say, they're really up in their game with these additional boxes that they're sending out. I mean, this is every bit as good of a quality as like the Allure Beauty box or any of the other boxes that you get. This reminds me of a Look Fantastic as far as like the quality of the box. Now, of course, this is Walmart, so they're not going to be as flashy with their like decoration and logo, but this is a good quality box, guys. I'm just saying. Enough about the box. Let's see what's inside. Okay, so when I open it up, it looks like this. Everything's just kind of tousled about. Okay, and they do provide a card with this one, and I did go ahead and tally up the value of all the products just to try to be proactive and get through this unboxing. So they do have a value as well as what the products are that they put in here. So let's just start grabbing them, guys. All right, so we have this shampooing. That's interesting. It's Tresemme Light Moisture Hydration is what it says here. I'm not going to try to pronounce Lagari. I don't know. Anyways, here it is, guys. So we have this product right here, and they sent 3 U.S. fluid ounces or 89 milliliters. And let's take a look at this product here. It is valued at $5.98 for the full-size version, which is 16 ounces. And what they sent me was 3 fluid ounces. Okay, so that's pretty cool. But you know what? It just hit me. I tallied up all of the stuff here, and they didn't send all full sizes. I wasn't even thinking about that, so it was kind of like a waste of time. Okay, so anyways, let's move on. You know what? The thing that I love about the Walmart Beauty Box, though, is that all the products that you get in here, you can buy at Walmart, so that's really quick, easy, and convenient, and most of the products are very affordable. So now I have the Tresemme conditioner. It says Revitalescent conditioner. It's also 3 U.S. fluid ounces. So here you go. There are both of those products. I'll go ahead and give this a smell. Oh, okay. Most of these products aren't good for my hairstyle, my hair type rather, but I still use them. Whatever, I'll get use out of it. Oh, I already told you those were $5.98 each. Awesome. And then they put in here a Daily Concepts Exfoliating Dual Texture Scrubber. So there's apparently 3 different ones you can get. You can get gentle, mild, or vigorous. And the one that they sent me is mild. So here it is. That's pretty nice. I actually quite like that. You know, I am going to take it out of here because I will definitely use it, guys. I mean, who can't use one of these things? Oh, I said that, and then, like, yeah, I can't get it open. Awesome. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I mean, I will. Here's what it looks like. Look at my nails, guys. Yeah. These right here, guys, these are crafter hands. I'm just saying. That is a crafter's hands. All right. So, yeah, that's really cool. I'm actually quite excited about that. The value of that sponge is $5. So, that's pretty awesome. All right. Let's see what else we got in here. So, next, I'm grabbing this Bliss Rose Gold Rescue Gentle Foaming Cleanser for sensitive skin. So, this size here is 60 milliliters or 2 fluid ounces. Here it is. Awesome. Awesome. So let's go ahead and, I don't know, squeeze it out. So it's just a clear gel, guys, just so you know what I'm seeing here. The smell's like okay, but I'm not going to sit here and say it smells good because I don't feel like it smells super good, in my opinion. Okay, so let's check it out here, guys. The full size, you get 6.4 fluid ounces, and the value of the full size of this product is $9.97. Okay, that's cool. So let's go ahead and move on to the next thing. Ooh, all wrapped up. What is it? Can I just push it out? Yeah. Okay, so it is a nail polish. It doesn't say the color, does it? Oh, yeah. Spice it up. Ooh, yeah. It actually matches what I have on right now. So there's a nail polish, guys. I didn't say the brand name. Essie, I guess. So here, this is probably full size, I'm assuming. All right, let's check it out. $8.97. Wow, nail polish is getting expensive, guys. I mean, this is a Walmart box. I kind of expected it to be a little more affordable, maybe around $3, but it's $8.97. Hopefully it's a good nail polish. I mean, I'll take it for the cost I paid for this box. Okay, so now we have a NYX Filler Instant. Let's see, do we have plumping lip color, but what color is that? It doesn't tell you the name of the, I mean, I see the color, guys, but I'm just wondering if it like tells me what they're calling the color. So let me go ahead and try to open this, and if I was a little more organized, I would have had it open for you guys, because we're going to go ahead and swatch it just to see if this is a color that I would like. Ooh, I didn't expect that, guys. I don't know what I expected, I'll be honest with you, but I didn't expect that to happen. Okay, so here is the packaging, which is pretty friggin' stellar. I gotta say, I love all the lips on the top and everything. NYX is a pretty good brand. I like NYX for it being so affordable. So let's go ahead and, oh, okay. There it is, guys. I mean, it's not bad. I'm down. Well, I mean, I've already swatched it, so nobody wants it now, unless they're related to me. Okay, so let's take a look here. $8. This is a full-size product. This is the full size that you get, and it's $8. Okay. I mean, I just felt like NYX was a more of an inexpensive brand, but I guess not. Okay, so now we have Vital Proteins Beauty Collagen. 12 grams of collagen per serving. So this is good for your skin, hair, and nail support. So it's 120 milligrams of hyaluronic, I don't know, acid. Okay, so it's in lavender lemon. So how do I do this? Does it have the instructions? Quickly. Combine 1 packet with 8 fluid ounces of water. Okay. All right, guys. So, I mean, here's that product. I will go ahead and give it a go. It's not going to hurt to give it a try. And I will do anything to help my ever so thinning hair. All right. So here we go. Ooh, baby. $24.98 is the price of the full size of this, which is 9.6 ounces. What they sent me is 0.53 ounces or 15 grams. So that's what they sent to me. But if you want the full size version of this baby, it's going to be kind of expensive. All right. So now we have the Biore for your pores deep cleansing pore strips. They have 1 nose strip in here. Pretty sure everybody knows what these are and what they do, and you may even know the price, but I don't buy them very often. I just bought some recently, but I do not buy them very often. So you get a 6 count of these for $5.88. Okay, so the last thing in here, guys. So this is a facial oil mist, soothing from e.l.f. Here you go. There is the product. Awesome. So let's have a look. This is 2.2 fluid ounces. This might be a full-size product. So let's have a look. Yeah, it is full size. It is $5 is the cost of it. So it's infusing wellness and beauty. This collection of 6 custom mists is formulated with unique blends of essential oils to provide a boost to mind and body. The scents will vary. Well, now you told me there's a scent on it. Now I gotta smell it, right? I mean, I can't not smell it at this point. All right, let's have a smell. I don't want to mess it up too much because I do need to take some photos of this stuff for Instagram. Ugh. Yeah, I'm not a fan of the smell, actually, guys. Not so much a fan of the smell. You know what I should start doing is taking the photos of the stuff before I like rip into it. But I always like some element of surprise, because even though I wrote down all the prices for this stuff, I didn't actually look at what was in the box. But I don't know. I guess maybe I'll start being a little more efficient in doing this ahead of time. Okay, guys, so that was my final product. So overall, the Bliss Rose Gold Rescue was not a full-size product. Let's see what full-size products I did get. The only full-size product that I got was the nail polish. And the e.l.f. Oil Mist, the Daily Concepts Exfoliating Body Scrubber was also full size. Oh, and so is the NYX Filler. So you got 4 full-size products. That's not bad. 8 products total. 4 of them were samples and 4 were full size. That's not a bad box at all, guys. I mean, I'm not hating on the Walmart box. Again, this one was $12.99. I 100% feel that it was worth every penny that I paid for it. So that's all I got for you guys in this one. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! What's up, gorgeous? Yeah, just try it again. Because I ordered all 3. I thought I was already subscribed to their $5, what is that, a seasonal box? The $5 seasonal box. But, okay, let's try it again. What's up, gorgeous people? This is Ambizzares DIY and other stuff, and it's subscription box Saturday, and in this, all right, try it again.